Welcome back, everyone! Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem glamorous at first glance, but has its own set of challenges: the disadvantages of living in a mansion. While the allure of spacious rooms and luxurious amenities is undeniable, it's essential to consider the less glamorous side of mansion living. Let's explore some of these aspects together. First off, let's talk about maintenance. Mansions are often sprawling estates that require a significant amount of upkeep. From landscaping to cleaning, the sheer size can be overwhelming. Imagine spending your weekends managing repairs or hiring a team to keep everything in pristine condition. It's not just about enjoying the space, it's about the commitment that comes with it. Next, there's the issue of isolation. While a mansion can provide privacy, it can also lead to feelings of loneliness. Many mansions are located in secluded areas, far from the hustle and bustle of city life. This can make it challenging to connect with neighbors or enjoy a vibrant community. If you thrive on social interactions, living in a mansion might feel a bit isolating at times. Another factor to consider is the cost. Beyond the initial purchase price, the expenses can add up quickly. Property taxes, utility bills, and maintenance costs can strain your budget. It's crucial to have a clear financial plan in place to ensure that you can comfortably manage these ongoing expenses without feeling overwhelmed. Let's not forget about the environmental impact. Larger homes typically consume more energy and resources. If sustainability is important to you, living in a mansion might not align with your values. There are many ways to make a positive impact on the environment, and sometimes downsizing can be a more responsible choice. Additionally, the pressure to maintain a certain lifestyle can be significant. Living in a mansion often comes with expectations from others, which can lead to stress. You might feel compelled to host extravagant gatherings or keep up appearances, which can detract from the joy of simply enjoying your home. Lastly, let's consider the emotional aspect. While a mansion can be a beautiful space, it can also feel impersonal. Large, empty rooms may lack the warmth and coziness that smaller homes often provide. Creating a sense of belonging and comfort in such a vast space can be a challenge. In conclusion, while living in a mansion can seem like a dream come true, it's essential to weigh these disadvantages carefully. From maintenance and isolation to financial strain and environmental concerns, there's a lot to consider. If you're contemplating this lifestyle, take the time to reflect on what truly matters to you and how you want to live your life. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this discussion helpful, please consider subscribing for more insights on lifestyle and living choices. Your support means a lot.